Admonition 18. Who has power over his foe and does not slay him is his own enemy. With a stone in the hand and a snake on a stone, it is folly to consider to delay. Others, however, announce a contrary opinion and say that it is preferable to respite captives, because the option of killing or not killing remains. But if they be slain without delay, it is possible that some advantage may be lost, the like of which cannot be again obtained. It is quite easy to deprive a man of life. When he is slain, he cannot be resuscitated again. It is a condition of wisdom in the archer be patient, because when the arrow leaves the bow, it returns no more. Same thing with anything of huge impact, or whatever you do. You figure, hey, it can't be undone. There's saying sorry and all that other stuff, but the fact that something's been done, it can't be undone.